52-year-old Lucky Sekhi Bara moved to Assam's Dhemaji district with her daughter-in-law after floods rendered them homeless 2 years ago. Every day, she faces the same questions from the men of the family who now live in Kerala. Will their houses still be there when they return someday? What about their land? Lucky Sekhi and her daughter-in-law are among several women who remain in the district with their children and elderly parents, while their husbands and brothers have migrated to other states. The reason? The loss of livelihoods, primarily due to climate extremes.
पति और बेटा दोनों बाहर रहते हैं?
ল'ৰাটো বাহিৰত আছে, কেৰেলাত আছে। ঘৰ দুৱাৰ চব পানীয়ে নিলে যে থাকিবলৈ জেগা নাইকিয়া, এতিয়া সেইভাগে আছোঁ ডাঙৰ বোৱাৰী কৰি।
अच्छा, अपना घर कौन है?
আমাৰ ঘৰ হুবাহীত আছিলে।
अच्छा अच्छा, इसका मतलब ऐसा है, इसका जो अपना ছোৱালী বিয়া হৈছে নে ইয়ালে?
বোৱাৰী আছে বেলেগ।
বোৱাৰী ইয়াতে আছে ন?
ডাঙৰ বোৱাৰী। ঘৰ দুৱাৰ চব নিলে, সেইকাৰণে এতিয়া ইয়াতে চলীয়া চালি এখন দি পিনি আছোঁ।
Counted among the country's 250 most backward districts, Dhemaji is highly flood-prone. According to official estimates, over 23 lakh people across 28 districts in Assam are affected by floods every year. Today, Dhemaji is largely home to women, along with only elderly or disabled men. The rest have migrated to other states. These women mostly live in changhars, elevated bamboo houses built to withstand floods, even as many homes constructed under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana lie abandoned.
पहले यहाँ पर आदमी लोग रहता था, अभी जो बारिश आ गया, पानी पूरा इधर तक आ गया, तो घर छोड़ के दूसरा गांव चला गया, पूरा लोग चला गया।
जब पानी चला भी गया उसके बाद भी वापस नहीं आए यहाँ पे?
वो हर साल होता है ना ऐसा, इसलिए इधर घर छोड़ के दूसरा गांव चला गया पूरा लोग।
वहाँ पानी नहीं आता है जो दूसरा गांव है?
अभी जहाँ पर है उधर पानी नहीं आता है।
कितने लोग रहते थे इस गांव में?
होगा करीब 100-150 घर होगा। हाँ।
इस गांव का क्या नाम था?
वो हिमालुगुड़ी।
हिमालुगुड़ी। और अब वो कहाँ चले गए हैं?
वो दूसरा गांव चला गया।
The women shoulder multiple responsibilities, rebuilding their homes after every flood, managing their kitchen gardens, taking care of livestock, collecting firewood, and other household chores. As floods turn them into refugees in their own land, they also take on odd jobs such as stitching and weaving to earn a meager income.
आप खुद कुछ काम करते हैं?
खुद थोड़ा सा सिलाई करती हूँ।
कितना पैसा मिलता है उससे?
यही सप्ताह में 200 ऐसा।
और आपका ज़मीन है, खेती करते हैं यहाँ पे?
खेती तो है, इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है मेरा।
लेकिन जब पानी आता है तो खेती फिर कैसे होता है?
पानी आने पे नहीं होता है, पानी ना होने से करती हूँ।
The climate-induced migration in Dhemaji is the focus of a research project at the Indian Institute of Technology. Researchers say that due to its extreme vulnerability to environmental factors, Dhemaji presents a compelling case for studying climate-induced migration.
Migration in Dhemaji is not really a recent phenomenon. Historically, people in Dhemaji have been migrating, and mostly because of lack of opportunity, and also because the region is economically backward relative to other districts of the state of Assam. Given this, what you actually see now, there is a recent phenomenon of climate extremes, for example, extreme flood events. Now, because the community mostly relies on agriculture, so because of loss of land, loss of agricultural land as the only source of income, you do see a lot of migration happening, which are not just seasonal but are also permanent in nature.
While migration helps the men earn better wages, it brings with it the emotional and logistical burden of maintaining two households, one in the place of work and the other back at their village. The dual responsibility is both financially and emotionally draining. And during medical emergencies or other family crises, their inability to return home quickly only adds to their sense of helplessness.